Noticing a funky smell in your home? Or just want to make it extra cozy and inviting? A fresh scent isn't just a sign of a clean space, it's a mood booster. In this video, you'll discover simple, natural ways to fill your home with amazing aromas that will leave you and your guests smiling and sniffing happily. Make potpourri. Make your own potpourri to scent your home naturally and avoid toxins in store-bought products. Dry flower petals, leaves, pine cones, or other plants in a well-lit, ventilated area until they crumble easily. Use organic, pesticide-free ingredients. Add spices like cinnamon, cloves, or nutmeg, and essential oils such as lavender or lemon. Mix in a bowl and display. Open the windows. Let in fresh air to remove musty odors. On a nice day, open windows and doors, including inside the house, to circulate air. Use ceiling fans or a box fan in the window to speed up the process. Scent your home with candles. Make eco-friendly scented candles by melting beeswax or soy wax, then adding your favorite essential oils. Soak a twine or cotton wick in wax, secure it over a container like a jar or a teacup, and pour in the scented wax. Let it dry, then trim the wick to about 1/4 inch. Bake something fragrant. Baking or cooking is a quick way to fill your home with comforting aromas. Sweet treats like cookies, pies, and cakes add a warm, sugary scent, while savory dishes like chicken soup, lasagna, or roast beef create a rich, inviting fragrance. Make your own reed diffuser oil. Make a natural reed diffuser by mixing 1/4 cup carrier oil, like grapeseed or soy almond, with 2 to 3 tablespoons rubbing alcohol and 15 to 20 drops of essential oil. Pour into a narrow-necked bottle, add 2 to 3 reeds, and enjoy a fresh, chemical-free scent. Simmer pot infusions. Make a simmer pot by filling a pot with water, bringing it to a simmer, and adding citrus peels, flowers, herbs, spices, or essential oils, and letting it simmer for a few hours. Checking every 30 minutes. Just don't drink it. Place flowers in your home. Fresh flowers add beauty and fragrance to your home. Display fragrant blooms like lavender, lilac, lilies, or jasmine in vases, or hang them upside down to dry for lasting scent. Change the water regularly to prevent unpleasant odors. Mix your own natural room freshener. Make a simple air freshener by mixing 3 fluid-ounce distilled water, 1 fluid-ounce unflavored vodka, and 20 to 30 drops of essential oil in a spray bottle. Shake well and spritz around your home. Lemon, tea tree, lavender, and peppermint work especially well for cleaning. Fight odors with apple cider vinegar. Make a natural air freshener by mixing apple cider vinegar and water 1-to-1 in a spray bottle, then spritz to neutralize odors. You can also simmer the mixture on the stove for a warm, fresh scent. Absorb smells with baking soda. Use baking soda to absorb odors. Place an open box in the fridge, sprinkle on carpets before vacuuming, or set small balls around the house for a few days. Eliminate odors with coffee grounds. No baking soda? Use coffee grounds. Place used grounds in a bowl near smelly areas like the garbage or pet spaces to absorb odors within a day. Absorb smells with activated charcoal. Place activated charcoal near odor sources to naturally absorb smells. It's cleaner than baking soda or coffee grounds and works within a day. Clean your garbage disposal. If your sink smells, clean the drain or garbage disposal by pouring in lemon juice or white vinegar to break down old food and eliminate odors. Take out the trash. Clean trash cans with soap and water between bags, and take out foul-smelling garbage like spoiled food or pet waste immediately to prevent lingering odors. Clean out your fridge. If your fridge smells, toss expired food, wipe down spills, and clean with a natural spray or a 1-to-1 mix of apple cider vinegar and water. Check your houseplants for mold or rot. A foul smell may come from a dying or overwatered houseplant, which can cause root rot and mold. Ensure good ventilation and water only when needed. Check soil moisture with a dowel rod before watering. Wash your shoes. Smelly shoes can stink up your home. Wash them in the machine or by hand with mild detergent, then air dry, or use a hairdryer to speed it up. If not washing, place them outside to air out. Vacuum and mop regularly. Clean floors regularly. Vacuum and mop weekly, and use a HEPA filter vacuum if possible. Change your bed linens. Dirty bedding can leave your room smelling musty. Wash sheets, blankets, and pillowcases at least every 2 weeks, or more often if you sweat or share your bed with pets, to keep them fresh and odor-free. Wash and dry your laundry promptly. Dirty or wet clothes can stink up your living space in a jiffy. Washing your laundry regularly and dry them right away to prevent mildew odors. If not using a dryer, hang them outside promptly after washing. Use scented laundering products. Use scented detergent or dryer sheets to give freshly washed clothes an extra pleasant scent. Keep your bathroom clean and dry. Clean your bathroom weekly to prevent odors from mold, mildew, and soap scum. Disinfect surfaces, reduce humidity with ventilation, and replace damp towels every few days. Use scented soaps, shampoos, or lotions. Make your house smell good by smelling good yourself. Be the fragrance you wish to smell in the world. Use scented soap, shampoo, lotion, or essential oils on your skin or hair to carry pleasant scents throughout your home. Wash your curtains. They can harbor more odors than you might expect. Wash curtains at least once a year. Clean your vents. Cleaning vents improves airflow and reduces dust, mold, and harmful toxins in your home. Invest in an air purifier. A HEPA air filter helps clean your air, removing odors and particulates, making it ideal for rooms with little ventilation. Regulate your house's humidity. Keep indoor humidity between 30 and 50% using a humidifier or dehumidifier to help your home smell fresh. Thanks for watching.